looks as if that's a possibility of it being back there, because the box is bigger than the Osmo Pocket boxes, but we're about to have somebody open the case and see exactly if that's it. Okay, I was wondering if you guys had the DJI Osmo Action camera in stock?
Osmo Action?
Yep.
Yeah, that's on us.
Say that again?
We do have some in stock.
Okay, perfect. I should be able to come in today. Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You as well. Bye. Well, so it looks like they have the DJI Osmo Action in stock. So, it's probably what we're going to go do today. Get another tiny cam for the arsenal. So let's see. I don't know if I'll do anything in between or after, but right now I'm filming on the Osmo Pocket, and then maybe we'll do the unboxing on this and maybe have like a couple clips in there, but let's see what we get into. Oh, right now I'm walking into Best Buy, and I hope they actually do have it in stock, because I did call earlier and they said they had it, so hoping for the best. And if they do, that means we'll be getting a second camera for the channel, because we definitely need another one, because this one is not optimal for the type of videos that I'll be doing, because putting this on a chest cam and everything is it's not that great. But yeah, I don't know if I told you guys what I was looking for.
How are you doing today?
Pretty good. Let's see. I don't know if I told you guys what I was getting, but when I find it, you guys will definitely see it. So give me 1 second to see if I can find them like somewhere on the floor. Okay, so they said they're over here. Osmo Action.
Let me make sure we even have it, because I see the Osmo Pocket.
Oh, looks as if that's a possibility of it being back there, because the box is bigger than the Osmo Pocket boxes, but we're about to have somebody open the case and see exactly if that's it. And there we go, Osmo Action. Luckily they did have one in stock. So this is it right here, and as you guys can see, 4K 60 and all that, just like the Osmo Pocket. So I'm gonna be picking this up for the channel. Alright, so I'm about to unbox the Osmo Pocket. I'm recording with the Osmo Pocket. I'm about to unbox the Osmo Action. Let's see.
Well then, give me a second.
That ASMR stuff that people be doing on YouTube. Very nice. And it comes with like a little GoPro looking case, so you can attach it onto some cool stuff. Let's put this right here to the side, and here's what seems to be a box of things. Alright, let's see. Silica gel is under there. Box can go to the side. And now we can see what is in this box. Alright. Oh, so it has a couple little things. So it has a mount with a sticky pad thingy on it. It has, ooh, something almost fell. Let's see, another mount with a sticky pad on the bottom. Then it has, let's see what this is. Wow, this box is pretty heavy. Oh, that's because it has some stuff back here. Okay, so the manual and everything. Okay, so I was like, wow, this is a very heavy box for such a little thing. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is a battery. Oh, so that means you can... Oh, and it has a memory card holder in here too. That's pretty lit. So yeah, you can put... whatchamacallit? You can buy multiple batteries for this thing, so that's very good, because on the Osmo Pocket you cannot. No shade to the Osmo Pocket, I love that thing, but yeah, you can't do that. So, open this. Bloop. Open that. Bloop. This is nice and kind of rugged feeling. Very nice. It's kind of hard to get out. Let's see. Okay, you kind of gotta, you know, gotta put some jam behind it. Let's see. There you go. It's kind of coming out. And boom. Here's the case thingy aside. And the battery goes in the bottom. Like, I think I did it right. Oh, I see the little... Okay. So, I see this. Scan the QR code or install the DJI Mimo app from the App Store. I have the DJI Mimo app. So, we'll go into the DJI Mimo app. 1 second. Let me just make this a new clip. Okay, where's the DJI Mimo app? DJI Mimo. And let's... new firmware. Let me download that and get back to you guys. Alright. Oh, so it's following on 4K 60. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Glad I installed that. Now, we're gonna go to the DJI Mimo app and let's see. DJI Mimo. Osmo Action. Let's see if you guys can see that. Connected. And then it says accept. Accept. Never seen this. Accept. Scroll down. Blue, 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 blue. Agree. Obtain device info. Next. My email, yup, activate. Now I'm activating. Activating. Activation successful. Okay, so seeing that I can buy some DJI Care, which will be pretty good. I'll get that. Not right now, but I'm gonna get it probably tomorrow or something. 2 replacements, express replacement, VIP support, and free 2-way shipping. That's actually really good, because if this thing breaks, I'll be heated. So yeah. Let's get out of this. Skip. Notice for beginners. Da da da. Okay. Done. I'll just watch YouTube videos on how to do all this, because can't be asked. Done. Like, bruh. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why it's not. Okay, done. Okay. So, another update. Alright, so little ASMR clip. That's funny. Alright, and that's funny. But I just would like to say that, look at this, okay. So it's connected, and you can see that it's like really fast. Like the connection between the two devices, the delay is not too bad at all. So this definitely would be good. Also that it's wireless. The only annoying thing is that it is wireless, so I'm most likely just gonna get a tablet, and the tablet will be what I use to, like, you know, this, because doing it on my phone, that means I can't connect to 4G at the same time as wireless, so I won't be able to go on Facebook and stuff like that. But yeah, this is definitely super cool, and I'll have a user review on this most likely tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can order an SD card or buy an SD card that has like 100 megabits per second write speed. I feel like that would be a lot better for this, especially since you have like Rocksteady and everything, which makes it like you use a lot more data. Like the video has a lot more data, I believe, something like that. So that will definitely be useful, because 90 is okay for like 4K 30 in my opinion, but I believe if I get like a 100 megabit per second write speed, it'll be pretty perfect. So thanks for watching this quick little unboxing after, you know, I showed you guys me like, you know, going to find it in the store and whatnot. But yeah, I really can't wait to start using this thing. So see you guys in the next one.